Hello viewers, so what is that #1 UK stock to buy right now? Well, I'm going for Rolls-Royce, the aerospace and defense company, global company, been around for many years, very successful. And you can see in the chart behind me, up over 500% since those lows in October 22. Fundamentally, very strong indeed. Sales demand up for their products, their niche that they operate in. Like I said, very strong. Analyst upgrades there as well. In this video, I'm going to look at the technicals to get the key price levels to both the up and the downside, see where they may be heading next. And if you're watching from the States, don't worry, you can trade this stock as well as a ADR on the US stock market. So with all that, let's get into the detail. So let's jump into the technicals, and this is today's price action as I record live. 15-minute candlestick chart here. You can see yesterday's start of the day was sort of range bound, and then it picked up towards the end of the day, and it's continued that bullish theme, not as strong but still trading up around 402p at the moment, and all the indicators there at the bottom. DMI looking positive, the awesome oscillator just holding back, looking for a injection back to the upside. Now longer term wise, you've got a weekly high Kanashi chart here. So I want to point out about the serious growth of the stock price here since the lows of September 22. 510% return, pushing new highs now and looking to go up through, probably talking to about 530, nearly 600. Checking down the volume here, we got a lot more price action where we saw that confluence of candles there. We go across, that's around about that key Fibonacci 280 number. Look at the support there. That's why I love Fibonacci so much. 280. So, and also above that call it 350. So two numbers to the downside to watch out for. But we're positive on Rolls-Royce, and we're looking, hopefully to get towards the 600 mark. Now, line break chart is one of my favorites for finding reversals. What's the setup at the moment? Well, at the moment we've got a 4 break line break chart, which is what I prefer to use because it smooths out the trend a bit more. Great for finding reversals, tops, bottoms, as you can see throughout this chart here. Really good if you're day trading. Like I said, Rolls-Royce is good for both day trading and the longer term investor, so it offers a lot of options up here. Now, in terms of where I'd get in, well, at the moment we're in a bearish setup, and we'd be looking for maybe a short trade in around, let's call it about, if I'm really being strict on the rules, call that 401.9, 402 possibly, for maybe a short term little sell, to maybe reverse and buy that dip again. Don't have to take that trade, you can wait. And at the moment, if you are bullish, we're going to have to go back through those highs as the next buy, which is 402.9. So at the moment we're in a weak line break setup. Doesn't necessarily mean to go short, that's down to you and your strategy, but it might be, like I said, to buy the dip where you wait and get your way back in. You might have some more bars building themselves up around here that give you a sort of better entry point, maybe around about this sort of zone. But like I said, at the moment negative, but wait at this current point in time as a production of the video, 402.9. Now let's head into the Renko charts. Medium term, I've used a 3.5 block size, as you can see up the top. The trend significantly strong, trading above the Bollinger Band breakout there at those highs, 405, pushing towards 500. Pullback areas 330, 275, and I'd say 195. Trend still positive, stochastic still positive, and focusing in there on the shorter term using a 1 block size. As you can see again up the top, down the bottom we've got a positive modified DMI, and the stochastic now starting to look more positive, for that buy the dip opportunity, which you can see the pull back down to the Fibonacci support 400. A lot of volume there giving it the support. Then we've got that gap down to the point of control, which is a 38.2% Fibonacci line, which is just under the 400 mark. You can see all that price action running through there. Short-term upside targets 410, call it 415. Downside, call it 400, and then down to 390, 392. Sorry, where all that volume is. So now we've gone through all the charts. We know the fundamentals are strong. Let's put a score together, some numbers, some targets for Rolls-Royce. So in terms of the score then, I'm sticking bullish. We can see in the top right that line break chart giving us the bearish play at the moment. But if you're positive, wait for the buy, the dip opportunity. You might get some better numbers in there to get into as well. Fundamental sentiment, bullish. Renko charts, both equally bullish in the shorter term and the medium longer term. In terms of targets, 3.14 to 1 and a massive 16.65 to 1 to the upside. I've been quite tight there with the stop entry, quite aggressive, giving those better risk reward numbers. And the downside, 1.43 and 3.06 to 1. You can see some target numbers there in both directions as well. But overall, I'm going bullish Rolls-Royce. So there you go, Rolls-Royce, my favourite UK stock of the moment. Let me know what you think of Rolls-Royce in the comments below. What are your top UK stocks? Please share them also with us in the comments to the video. Love to hear from you. Now, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons. And if you want to learn more about the Renko charts and technical analysis I've used in the video, I've got a playlist coming at the end of this one. Work your way from the top to the bottom in it, and you'll come out the other side a Renko master. Also, if you're new to trading, completely free course on my channel. Again, work your way from top to bottom, covers everything: risk, trade management, psychology, all those FAQs that you wanted to know about, strategy, markets, the whole lot. Like I said, both those playlists coming up right now.